Hello guys and girls, boom, welcome back. Where are we? We're at the back now, we're working anti-clockwise. Okay, righty ho. Now then, we do an edge roll because we're hoping that the bunks or the NIFCs will stand out because they'll be a little bit thicker, and anything else like world coins or strays that get in there. Yeah, we've had some odd ones, so makes it a bit more interesting, but there we are, only a shield, part of a shield. Top left hand corner of the shield, as you can see there. Okay, we'll try and keep this on the move, keep it as painless as possible, because I know they can be a little laborious. I don't know if I'm going to go any smaller than 10p coin hunts, I don't think so. I've already done date runs of most coins, but not complete, I have to say. But I just look out for them in the whiskey jar. We put all our shrapnel, as we call it, in the whiskey jar, and then go through it just before we take them all to the Coinstar machine. Yeah, it's the easiest way for us. Ooh, come on, come on. No, nothing in there. Nothing in there. Righty-ho. So you may have seen last week I didn't put up a 50p coin hunt because I couldn't get any coins last week at all, so humble apologies for that. But we did have a £100 in 10p spare going, so managed to get the 10p hunt out last week, but we didn't manage to get the 50p hunt out. So we'll just have to play it by ear. You know, we have bumps in the road trying to get the coins. But it's par for the course, I'm afraid. Yeah. Here we go. Okay. Oh, flipped it the wrong way. Righty-ho. Put them like that. Yeah, a couple of thin ones, which are the old 10p's. This one was thinner. And then there was another one a bit further down. No, nothing in there. Oop. Too many out at a time, and you know what's going to happen, don't you? Go all over the show. Alrighty. Second to last one, look at that. That's so thin compared to the other one. We think it might be a 10p. So second to last coin we're going for. Looking to see if we've got a world coin of some sort. Or in fact a territory coin, which we don't mind. No, I don't think anybody minds a territory coin. Well, they're always low mintage for a start, aren't they? Right, turn that one over. And that second to last one was just a 10p, a 1 10p. Yay. There we are. Got fluff in the hand. I had to look first. If it was a spider, I would have been screaming and running out the room. No, I'm not kidding. I don't like spiders. There we go. edge roll, nothing, just the normal. So it's about time we had a little bit of treasure. Come on, we're hoping for treasure. Oh, just looking at that second to last one. Oh, dropping them all over the show. Nothing in there. Nothing to see here, guys and girls. Here we go. Over there. Okay. Hope you got your guesses in time. The first 24 hours, part 1, is only up 24 hours before the second part goes up. And you will win the letter that I find if I don't need it for my date runs. And if I do, I will offer you something else. Yes, well, we'll have a chat about it and see what if I can help you out with anything else. There we go. Just checking that's not a 5 or indeed anything else. There we are. Okey-doke. Come on. Shall I rub P's belly? That's Candy Floss. That's P. Got Master Temple's Gong, yeah. And the Kew Gardens Temple. I had to buy that because, well, I've never found one. I know. Right, come on you guys. Help me out with a bit of luck. Come on. This is the last bag of this part of the hunt. Woohoo. Rightio. Okay. Nothing unusual. No. I still flip the old ones over. You never know what's going to be on the other side. I can't think that quick to think, oh, that's something interesting or that's not. So I just flip them over, it's quicker. Some don't, I know, but I think, oh, hang on a minute, I want to see what that is. Oh. Rightio. Cool. This is the last bag and the last part of this part, whatever number it may be. Quick look along there, see if there's anything that sticks out. And oh, last one. No, there we are. Okay, guys and girls, thanks very much for joining me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.